yesterday.
News 4's Brittany Smallwood joins us now with more on this very grand idea. Brittany?
Ed and Nalina, instead of spending almost $250 million to keep the Ralph open, two businessmen want to build a Harbor Stadium complex for $1.4 billion. Some say it's a shot in the dark, but these two men say it's time for a new stadium in the Queen City. The Greater Buffalo Sports and Entertainment Complex laid out plans to build a 72,000-seat stadium on the city's waterfront, complete with a retractable roof. They say the $1.4 billion complex could create 15,000 jobs.
The model that Nick is offering here is a huge return on investment, whether it's $200 or $400 million from the state. It's something that's going to be good for 50 years in the facility. It's not just a dead-end stranded investment in a football stadium.
Bill's CEO, Russ Brandon, isn't on board. He says this proposal is a non-starter and there's absolutely nothing to it. And Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz, who's working on a new lease for the Ralph, says he was never even contacted by the men behind this plan. As for Bills fans,
it would generate some traffic down here, but the problem is that there's probably not a lot of parking spaces, and there might not be a lot of easy way in and out to downtown. The new stadium on Buffalo's Outer Harbor will also double as a convention center, and also in the works, a museum run by Rochester Strong. Reporting live, Brittany Smallwood, News 4 Wake Up.